Hello, hello, Guardians. I am Ransom Rider. Today I'm in the kitchen. Guardians, we've got breaking news. We have just decrypted an engram. I have the information here. This is going to be traditionally what's called a chocolate cobbler. I'm going to be making it in a 9 by 9 pan. It's a 9 containment field. I really feel like the 9 left us this little gift. Let's give it a try. I've never made this before. It's brand new for me. It's going to be chocolatey, ooey, gooey goodness. I feel like the Taken might have had their fingers in this as well. I have my recipe here. So fresh off the decrypt press. Thank you, Raul. Thank you. We're going to start out with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, this is a gram, so it's 120 grams. Let's pour that in. All-purpose flour. Set that to the side. Get to the side. 2 teaspoons baking powder. I have it here. I've pre-measured all this stuff so we can be fast and efficient. Pre-measured 2 teaspoons baking powder. In it goes. Now, 1/4 teaspoon salt. I have it here. Salt. Salt will balance the flavors of the chocolate and the sugar. And it will just make it actually, give it a depth and a vibrancy that it normally wouldn't have without the salt. In it goes. Get in there, salt. Then we're going to go 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. This is white granulated sugar. In it goes. Now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Oh, that smells good. Cocoa powder. When I was young, Guardians, we would just mix cocoa powder and sugar and have it as a little treat. It was always delicious. In goes the cocoa powder. Get in there. Tap it. Get it all out. All right, put the dirties to the side. Now, 1/2 cup milk. This is 120 milliliters, and this is a whole milk. I've used whole milk. Whole milk has more fat content. I almost made a mess. Whole milk has more fat content, and fat basically is flavor. It's going to give you flavor. 1.5 teaspoons vanilla. In it goes. Guardians, if you hang out with me as I make recipes and gamer snacks, vanilla, I love it. It's just so good. It gives another addition that gives depth of flavor and tasty goodness. Now, I'm using a little bit of espresso powder. Chocolate and coffee, they complement each other. And this will bring all those deep, rich, chocolatey notes forward and give you a taste sensation in your mouth. All right, so that's my ingredients for the body of the mix. Let's stir it. Let's whisk it. Proper tools in the kitchen really matter. I'm going to whisk this all together because this is going to go into our 9 by 9 containment. Now, did I skip the butter? Unsalted butter, 1/3 cup. I'm going to save that and pop it in here. Come on, butter. We need you. Butter is your fat. It's got a phenomenal flavor to it. So good in this mixture. I feel like a chocolatier. I don't know what a chocolatier is, but I feel like a chocolatier. Let's put that to the side. Whisk it in. I want to get this fully incorporated. This is the basis for our 9. The 9. This is the basis for the 9 pudding. And really, this, I want to give credit to a fellow gamer I was playing with just the other day. And they said, oh, I'm going to have some chocolate cobbler. So, I'm giving credit to that Guardian. Thank you, Guardian. Chocolate cobbler. This is looking good. Now, I actually want to add just a few bits of chocolate. This is a dark 62% chocolate. I'm going to just add a couple of those in for a little bit of bonus depth of flavor. So I'm putting some chocolate squares the chocolate squares. Maybe it'll make the 9 unhappy because I think they like round shapes. What do we know about the 9? Leave a comment down below. Let me hear what you think that we know about the 9. I think we know a little bit about them, but we're going to find out more really soon. All right, in this goes into my pan, my 9x9 containment. Get it? 9x9. I thought it was crafty. I thought it was crafty. All right, it's going in. I want to get all that goodness out. This is too good to leave behind. Leave no chocolate behind. All right, did I get it all? There's no eggs in here, so I could probably scrape that, but it's got flour in it. And don't eat uncooked flour, right? You don't want to eat that. Now, I'm going to need to make the topping. So in this bowl, pre-done, I have granulated sugar, 1/2 cup or 100 grams. I have 110 grams or 1/2 cup of brown sugar, densely packed, and 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa, unsweetened. So I want to just mix this together, and then we're going to be pouring this on top. I'm going to just incorporate all the ingredients, get them evenly distributed. Distribution, it's important. All right, let's get this mixed in. Man, that smells good. Cocoa powder, this would be just, give me a spoon. This would be a treat. All right, so good. Breaking up those brown sugar lumps so that it's going to bake beautifully even. Now I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. That's 175 degrees Celsius. Because I know that, you know, Europe, Great Britain, it's definitely my #2 market. Hello, everybody over in Europe. How are you? Now, I want to take this and just spread this out a little bit. Man, that looks so good. I did spray the bottom of this pan. It's non-stick. The engram didn't really say to spray, but I am all about making sure this doesn't stick, because as you can see, it's ooey and gooey. All right, I'm going to set that to the side. Now we're going to come in and we're going to put this on top. And once you get all this incorporated, you know, you're going to have an urge to stir it. You don't actually have to stir this. This is going to bake and all the ingredients will incorporate, and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. All right, I'm just going to spread this around, even distribution. Beautiful. Now I want to come in, tap it, get it all out. You know, I'm not going to put a couple of little chocolates on top of this. You know, maybe just a couple here and there. I like the chocolate. All right, one there. Get in there, chocolate, do your thing. Now we're going to cover this with 1 1/4 cups of hot water. Not boiling water, not scalding water, but extremely hot water. This is about 180 degrees. I'm just going to pour that over the top evenly. Let's get that evenly poured over the top. And this will be the moisture that's going to allow everything to bake together and become a chocolate pudding of the 9, a chocolate cobbler of the 9. This is a dessert that will bring the 9s to you. It isn't a 9x9 containment. Let's put this in the oven. It's going to bake probably about 25, 30 minutes. Let's see, what does it say? 35 to 40 minutes, but be sure you check your oven because ovens bake differently based on the oven, the altitude. There's a number of factors that can change your baking time. I'm going to pop this in, and when it gets done, I'm coming back to you. Don't go anywhere, Guardians, because when this ends, we're going to have something so delicious that even the 9 will ask for a second serving. I'll be right back. Guardians, I have just pulled this out of the oven. It's still very warm to the touch, but it has cooled down. I let this set for about 15 minutes so that it would be cooled down. Now, let's give it a try. I've poured myself a glass of milk. You might want to get a scoop of ice cream to go with this. Let's dig in and see how this is going to be. Chocolate Cobbler, listen to that. Crunchy, beautiful crust, dark chocolate. Let's get a big scoop out. Oh, Guardians, thick, rich, decadent. This smells so good. Let me get some of that gooey goodness on top. All right, this is the proof of the pudding. 9, I hope you like this, the 9. This pudding of the 9 is for you. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, the aroma, deep chocolate aroma. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Those chocolate chips, all that cocoa powder, the sugar, this comes together to make a masterpiece. The 9, once they get a hold of this, they're gonna know we mean business. We mean business. I even think the Taken would like this. These little dark chocolate ooey gooey goodness spots, the Taken had a finger in it. I am Ransom Rider. Destiny's my favorite game. Come over, hang out with me. Let's be friends. The journey is so much better when you hang out with fellow gamers and you become friends. You know, it's fun. I'm loving it. And this dessert, don't hesitate to make this. I'm gonna eat all of this. Come and hang out. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna end up making a mess with this. So worth it. So worth it. Oh my God.